All right, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining. If you're new, please like, share, subscribe. These are weekly outlook. I know I haven't been active lately, but then again, I'm back. All right, so the first play I'll be doing basically is your V101S. I already have a projection, right? I already have a projection, the breakdown. So let me use this method. Let me use this copy. So V, this is it. Right, so this is what I can see clearly. This is a 24-hour time frame. Don't mind what is showing here, 1 hour time frame. So we add our clean break of structure to the downside after we saw a sweep of that eye, right? Then we add a break of structure to the down. Then what are we looking for? This break of structure give us a structural liquidity. In fact, the sell has already started. So I just came to share this so that we can profit from it. So these are strong eye, protected eye. Then this is our low that we're targeting. So we have this whole space to ourselves to make from, right? We have this whole. So that whole zone is our entry zone, and we have this projection from here. We are targeting this. So this is the daily time frame. You can maximize the setup by going down to the lower time frames to look for your same pattern, your sweep of the eye, and your second break of structure. Then you wait for price to come back to it and sell. Right. So that's my projection for. That's my projection for V101S. Let me see. The time I'm doing this, I know many people will not be live, but then again, you come and see this video. Yeah. So that's that. On this pair, let me see another pair. V101S. Let me remove this. Following our projection, it has been following our projection right from time. We had the structural liquidity that was taken out, right? And we had a sweep of that eye. This gave us a protected eye. And we had, this was our break of structure. So that was an internal, like an internal range, like an internal structural liquidity for the internal range liquidity. Structural liquidity, then we're targeting this level. So price is still tanking all the way down, still targeting here. So this is projection, and it has been following that since. If you have been here, you observe that we did this analysis, right? So that's that. Then V10 still following the same pattern. We had our structural liquidity. Then we had this protected eye because we had this break of structure to the down, and we had this sweep of this eye. So this is like our zone of focus, and we are targeting this. So you have a lot of space. In fact, I can see a kind of a setup here. So let me see. Let me go to the forward time frame. See if there's anything. Okay. Although I was expecting it to drop from, I wanted it to come into this other block, right? Yeah, this region to sell. Although price just came, took out this liquidity, and dropped. So the first sell I saw was basically this one. Clearly, we had a shift to the downside because I knew we're bearish. I saw this other block, this clear level here, and I was targeting this next level. The price came almost there, but did not take it out. So V10, look for sales, look for sales, look for sales, look for sales. So we have a lot to go. So it's still going to tank, all the way down to 5900.8271. So that's for V10. Let me do V50 because I think I can see a setup on V50. Although it has left the first sales setup, but then again, this is our most recent break of structure to the down on the daily time frame. So we had our validation, invalidation. So these are internal structure. The internal structure, go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking for my structural liquidity. So I'll allow to use this one, and you can put your stop loss above here. So this what I'm having for V50 is a good one. So we just wait for it to play out. Price has been bearish, see, bearish, bearish, so let's follow the trend. All right, let's see V75. V75 is quite messy. 24-hour time frame. Quite messy. So let's see V100. V100, if you look at the most recent break of structure we had this most recent break of structure. Although if you want to follow our pattern, see that there was a sweep of that high, a break of structure. This will not be like a structural liquidity. So this could happen, price come into this level for a sell. But then again, following this, we had our internal area, right, from here to this up part. And as I can see, the sale has already started. So 1 hour time frame, let me look at the 1 hour time frame from this level. Okay, I can even see the liquidity engineering clearly from the 1 hour time frame clearly. So yeah, this was it. This was the liquidity engineering I saw. So yeah, so now what is happening now? Now I think I can see a clear pattern. There was a sweep of this eye, sweep of that eye, a break of structure to the down. Then we now add this as our structural liquidity. So price coming into this level is literally an entry level. So let me use the 15 minutes time frame. All right, there's one person. Thank you for joining. Please, your name and where you're joining us from. I feel like the timing with which I'm doing this, nobody will be live with us. But then again, thank you for joining. Please, where are you joining us from? Your name and where you're joining us from. Let me go ahead. So you can see clearly from here. See clearly from here the sweep. And in fact, price has given us an entry confirmation pattern on the 15 minutes time frame. So you can start selling all the way. So V100 is a sell. You can start selling all the way. So the actual stop loss. You're risking over $9 to get like $84. So that's that. And our first target will be this. So this is a good one. Let's see V51S has already gone, but let's see the 24-hour time frame. So let's look at where price is coming from. Clearly, you could see a sweep of this eye, break of structure to the downside, structural liquidity, and using that to add this as a protected eye, and this as our target. So this is our PY, and if you see price is tanking, so that's where price is coming from. So let's look at where price is coming from originally. Price is coming from somewhere here originally. So where it's coming from somewhere there originally. The final target will be this. So we have a lot of movement, So 15 minutes time frame. Let's see if we'll see. Let me just go back to. Let me look at the price action to see what has been happening. If I'll see setups. Okay, a lot of setups. Okay, so just be looking for sales for this 24 hours time frame. We have a lot of space to go. Yeah, so there's some pairs I'm not even looking at again because they are crazy. Let's do V25. Although it's looking crazy, but once this eye is taken out with the candle, then we're done with this setup. Structural liquidity. Then this was the sweep of the eye, and this the break of structure. So basically, this is the this is what like although the push might start if this candle closes as bearish candle, then we'll see the push. But then again, just be careful this trade, because if you look, we have been bullish and price reacted from this what resistance, this flip level, All right, so that being said, I hope this helps you. How can someone join your WhatsApp group or Telegram? All right, I'll be dropping my number now. So you can message me immediately because I'm ending the live now. I just came here to just share some things quick. 9153594623. You can message me, and yeah, I'll add it to the general group. Then also you can join my mentorship. My mentorship is $100 for my mentorship. If you want to join my mentorship, you can DM me. Yeah. So I hope that helps you. I don't know if I should do. I don't know if I should do one more, or you want me to do any other pair that I did not do. You can as well still message me. Oh, let me go to my main account where I do my analysis, so that I'll show you guys So sorry guys, my network went out. I'm back. So that's that. I don't know, maybe step 300 as any setup or something. Okay, nothing. Nothing. Okay. All right, so that'll be all. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for joining. God bless you.